Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if anyone is even watching this. Today I'm gonna be painting a choo train. And I'm gonna try to make this video as interesting as possible. And my hair is really messy. Anyways, so I'm gonna be painting my choo train right now. And I'm gonna try to make this as fun as possible because I always forget that I'm filming and I don't say anything and I'm so focused. I painted my nails. So summer is the time that kids go around with their friends and like do shenanigans. They do shenanigans and they get in trouble and they have a great time and we all are laughing. We're all laughing, we're all having a great time. But here's the problem. I have no friends. Well, I have like one friend, but lately we did have a slumber party and we had a great time. We were like talking about random stuff like when the world's gonna end, you know. Anyways, I have zero good YouTube ideas. Like, this is probably really boring. I'm going into high school in like about a month from now, and I'm really scared for myself. Success. I feel like it's so dark in my room. Hopefully there's not a creeper. Or like, are the clowns even coming back? That's my question, you know? They like came back and they left and everyone forgot about them. And we kind of low-key want them back. Yeah, let's talk about Area 51. So apparently people have signed something or something like that. I don't even know the full story. But people are getting ready to like attack. They're getting ready to attack Area 51. They're ready to see them aliens. They're ready to take one home. And do I blame them? No. Cause like we all want to be the little boy from ET, you know what I'm saying? I see why they're doing it. Like, you get a free alien. Who wouldn't go? Look how good that looks. Just like I'm gonna be the new Frida. Look at that. That's amazing. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know what to say. I know what girls, yeah. I know what girls like. I like girls like me. I should be a singer. Freaking people in the world, do not at me. I'm really trying to look for dumbest. I feel like this video is already too long. Latina. You know, I'm trying to be like Ed Sheeran or something, and it's not working out for me. Sorry to burst your bubble. It's like rusty, dude. I'm getting frustrated. But this should be the end of this video. If you made it to the end, I love you. I don't know how you can make it to the end. It's probably super boring. But if you did make it to the end, thank you so much. And if you feel like subscribing, you can subscribe. Only if you're in the mood for it. Like, but if you want to, you can go ahead and subscribe and help this girl who just started her YouTube channel. So that's the end. Hopefully, you know what, I'm gonna get a nice picture of my train done because I'm taking way too long. So if you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, comment what you want me to see next. Love y'all. Bye.